Hello, this is Alex with GrowHow. We talk about gardening here. We talk about horticulture. We talk about homesteading, do a little bit of cooking, do a little bit of history. And this is all stuff that I think is just, at least certainly for me, was a part of growing up. Even though, homesteading had kind of died out by the late 70s when I could remember that stuff. And the fact is, my parents never would have even thought of doing something like that. The attitudes of homesteading are attitudes that I grew up with because I'm not that far away from the pioneers who crossed the plains here to Utah. So I hope that you'll find something you enjoy here. You're certainly going to find a lot of good gardening. You're going to find a lot of good science about gardening. And you're going to find some good techniques to make it easier on yourself. There's no point in making gardening hard if you can find a better, faster, cheaper, and hopefully more enjoyable way of doing it. Please go ahead, again, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and I look forward to visiting with you and learning with you on a lot more videos. Thank you. Manana.